All right, so this week's recipe is Pass the Plate. It's a collection of Carolina church recipes that I got at a garage sale forever ago. And it's more of a method. We're doing a rare roast beef. And essentially, we're going to kick the oven up to 500 degrees. And it's 5 minutes per pound that you're cooking. We got a 4-pound cross rib roast here of Vert beef. So it's going to be 20 minutes at 500 degrees. And then after that, we kill the oven. Do not open the door, and it's going to sit for 2 hours. And apparently, that's it. The recipe says no seasoning required, which is making me a little nervous. So let's give it a try against my better judgment, and we'll see how this guy does. All right, so we're out of the oven. I have no idea how this is going to turn out, but it looks absolutely incredible. So we're going to take the twine off. And then we're going to cut into this guy and see what we're dealing with. Oh, there we go. The rib bone's coming right off. All right. With no seasoning, I'm impressed. It looks good. It tastes spectacular. Although I would still probably put some salt on this. If I was doing this again, I would salt it beforehand. I'm definitely going to have to put some on before we serve it up at dinner. But it looks like this method is completely foolproof. So yeah, the ladies from the churches here did a great job. I highly recommend it.